This is a video to show how to replace the battery in the Yorkie cell phone detector. You will have to remove the 4 screws on the back of the unit. You can use a Torx T8 and simply unscrew the 4 screws. When opening or removing the top from the bottom, do use care. You can break the unit, you can break this USB connector. So what I do is I grab it, and then as you pull this up, you want to push on the connector at the same time, and that will allow you to remove it. You will then have access to the battery. Recommend that you just use your fingers and pry underneath the battery. There's double-sided tape on the other, holding it in place. Once you've removed it, you can then use the new battery. You will have to connect it using the connector right here with the new battery. Obviously, you have to remove it prior to ripping it out, and then reconnect it here. Use double-sided tape if you need new tape to hold it down. That's all we use. Now, once you have the battery in there, you need to close it up. Closing it up is also tricky because, again, you don't want to break the USB connector. Okay, I'm gonna line this up like that. I'm going to line it up with the USB connector with the hole, and then I'm going to push down and pop it in place, and then screw down the 4 screws in the back of the unit, again using the Torx T8 screwdriver.